Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us in paying a small tribute to Mr. Janendra Kumar. For me, Daddy. It's been exactly 10 years that I've known him, and I can vouch for the fact that he's by far the coolest father in law that anyone could ever have. And in the time that I knew him, we were sometimes in the same city, sometimes apart, all of us busy with work, trying to meet as often as possible, doing holidays, dinners, movies, and everything that families do. But for me, the times that I remember the most and cherish the most are the ones where we would sit huddled up in a bed, all four of us, with our cups of chai, and just talk endlessly about everything and nothing. And that's just etched in my mind. It will never go. Not once did I ever see Daddy lose his temper or his smile. His patience was unbelievable. Even now, being so many miles apart, he spent hours on the phone trying to help me figure out how to fix the AC or how to make like the perfect idlis. Never once getting impatient or anything. He's spent so much time trying to make me understand physics, which is pretty impossible to do. And with the same passion, telling me about his favorite movies and books and music. And we've spent so many nights watching all of his favorite classics. And sometimes, even if the movie wasn't that appealing, but Daddy's excitement about it was so contagious that I think that they're going to be my favorites also. There was never an idea that he wasn't encouraging of. There was never a plan he wasn't enthusiastic about. There was never a cooking experiment that he would just let go on. And I think that if Jay and I can become even half the person that he was, I think that he would be proud. And for Ane, he was the happiest when his Bia was around. He would just wait so impatiently for Daddy to wake up in the morning, and then the whole day he would follow him around the house, watching every little thing he did. And the two of them, they could spend hours telling stories, singing songs, chatting in their tent. And I just hope that they are memories that Ane carries with him for life. It's been almost a year that we met Daddy, that they were here with us in Moscow last. But even today, there's a bathroom in our house that is called Bia bathroom. And Ane will only brush his teeth there because his Bia used to brush his teeth there. That's the legacy. And it's just, there were so many movies left to watch, so many songs left to listen to, so many stories to be told. Daddy, it was just so unexpected. But I promise you that all of us will only stay strong and will try to smile as much and as well as you did.
You never know what to say at a time like this. It's very difficult for me to articulate my feelings and my relationship with him. All I can say is that I was very, very fortunate to have a father like him. And I'm also really lucky and proud that this is one thing that no one can take away from me. He taught me a lot, but he also gave me a base to learn absolutely anything that I wanted to in my life. Whether it was concepts of 10th class physics when I was in class 6, or it was countries and capitals when I was in class 3, or it was how to sing, or it was moral values, or it was a backhand flick in table tennis, or it was teaching me to ride the scooter when my mother was traveling and was not around. He was my go-to man for everything. He knew how to put up with my tantrums, but he also knew how to help me on my own find the light at the end of every tunnel. He always believed in all-round development and gave the highest importance to fundamentals. In fact, when my friends from school or college used to visit me, they ended up talking to him more than they used to talk to me. They ended up laughing with him more than they laughed with me. But amidst all of this fun and laughter and his trademark one-liners, he ended up teaching all of us something, whether it was some difficult concept in mathematics, or some problem in fluid dynamics, or it was finance management, or just something else. For me, he was just a phone call away. Even at the times when he was a very senior executive in a huge corporation, he never made me feel that he didn't have time for me. And at this stage, the only thing I regret now is that our son will not be able to gain from daddy's or his Bia's wisdom and experience. We have tried to put together a short collection of feelings and memories from people who are associated with him. And our family and I, we would like to thank everyone who came forward during such difficult times at such short notice to express their feelings and to tell us and share their thoughts with us. This is a very difficult time, not just for us as a family, but for all those who knew him. And that was the impact of this man. All I know is that he would want us all to stay strong. He would want all of us to sing his favorite songs. He would always want a smile on all our faces. And I'm confident that he's somewhere there looking over us, sipping on a glass of single malt, humming his favorite tune, and only wishing the best for us. Thanks.
सफर में राही मिलते हैं बिछड़ जाने को और दे जाते हैं यादें तन्हाई में तड़पाने को ओ हो ओ हो जीवन के सफर में राही मिलते हैं.
Regarding my elder brother Janendra Kumar and his presence of mind and other things, an incident which I remember is my father got a shirt made, new shirt made, and before my father wore, he was wearing the shirt and roaming around in the house and making all the people laugh because the shirt was too big for him. That was at that age, he was so naughty at that time.
His naughtiness also had intelligence associated with the naughtiness. So anything that he did was not just naughty but intelligent.
And another instance is wherever he used to go, even in a hospital, people used to forget all their problems and other things because of his presence of mind and jolliness. And it was so much that not only the patient, the attendants Even the neighboring patients, ward boys, nurses, and even doctors used to wait for him to listen to his jolliness.
थोड़ा और लीजिए जीजा जी, बहुत लाइट है ये। जी, लाइट तो यह है। He said that, pointing towards the tube light. Never have I ever failed to repeat this joke of yours, Jijaji, and shall continue to repeat it, as it has brought smile to many a faces. Yes, smile is one of the words to describe you. We will miss you, dear Jijaji, but we'll always miss you with a smile. Each moment of our lives, in spite of teary eyes.
I am literally honored to share with you all that I was the one who can take the credit of bringing in Mr. Janendra Kumar, Jenny as he's known in his circle, as my Jijaji. Yes, I was the one who proposed his name as the life partner for my sister.
As you always want the best for your sister. Yes.
We will always remember him as a person who lived his philosophy of engineer is always an engineer and an all-rounder, which he was, and engineering is the way of life which he led. Destiny has snatched him physically from our lives, but we have his fond memories in our hearts for times to come. Yeah.
We are here to celebrate a life gone early. Let me start with the first telephonic conversation that I had with Jenny. I was a wee bit apprehensive about a ladki wala calling the ladke wala, but it was not even a minute that apprehension vanished. After that, it was all good vibes, a great equity in the relationship that followed. From what I saw and heard of him in the last few years, he had a great work ethic executed with great integrity. In fact, a workaholic to a fault maybe. I see a lot of that imbibed in Jay. What a great inheritance. Jenny was somebody who had a great wit and a sense of humor. In his company, you were forever anticipating the next joke to come. We've had some great holidays together, South Africa, Cobbett Park, Nainital, memories that will never fade away. We would always want to remember him with a smile on our face, never forgetting the smile on his face. Om Shanti.
Good afternoon. This video is for our dear uncle, Mr. Janendra Kumar.
He has been a pillar of support for our family, and we have fond memories of him while growing up and during all the family get-togethers and parties that we had. He would always request us to sing this traditional folk song from Himachal. We would like to present 2 lines of that song. छुपी जांदा चंद्रमा, छुपी जांदे तारे हो, छुपी जांदा चंद्रमा, छुपी जांदे तारे हो, दिए भला नहीं हो, छुप दे दिला दे प्यारे हो. दिए भला नहीं हो चुप दे दिला दे प्यारे वो. And this means that people who are close to our hearts, they may be hidden, but they'll always be close to us in our memory, and we would always remember our uncle with fond memories.
Thank you very much.
Hi, this is Sophia, Tutu Babaji's granddaughter, and I just want to say that I will miss him so much. I will miss all of his funny jokes, and I'll miss that I laughed with him all the time, every step of the way that I was with him.
Yeah, we're gonna always remember our Tutu Mamaji, right?
Right, Daddy?
All right.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम आरएल दर है, पर प्यार से जैनी मुझे बड़कू ही बुलाते थे. कितनी यादें हैं, कभी भूल नहीं सकते. 1976 जनवरी से पहली बार जब मिलन हुआ था, तब से लेके अंत समय तक यारों का यार, पार्टी की जान, क्या बोलें. कितनी यादें हैं, कहाँ तक याद करें. कोई दुख भरी याद ही नहीं है, सब सुख भरी यादें हैं उसके संग. जब मिलो हंसते हुए मिलो, कोई शिकायत नहीं कि इतने दिन क्यों नहीं मिले, कोई गिला नहीं, बस जब मिलो मुस्कुराते रहो. यही जैनी का मंत्र था और यही हम लोगों का साथ था. सालों बीत गए, क्या बताएं. उसका एक एक हरकतें जो वो करते थे, चाहे वो जाके 25 रसमलाई खा जाना संगम होटल की, उनका बुफे बंद करवा देना कि भैया ये क्या हो रहा है, या फिर मेरी शादी पे गेस्ट हाउस में जाके नोटिस लगा देना कि सब इनवाइटेड हैं, पूरा BHL आ जाओ. कुछ भी कर सकता था, पर जहां जाता था बस खुशियां ही बटोरता था और खुशियां ही बांटता था. कोई ऐसा लम्हा मैंने उसके संग बिताया ही नहीं जहां पर कोई दुख हो, झगड़ा हो. बस चाहे जो भी हाल हो, मुस्कुराते रहो. अब क्या बोलें इसी के साथ. अब वो तो चले गए, लेकिन उसकी लास्ट हम लोग का जो गेट टुगेदर मॉरिशस में था ना, वो अस्मरणीय है. वो नहीं भूल सकते. क्या मस्ती, क्या क्या नहीं किया. बीच पे, अंदर बाहर, खाने की टेबल हो चाहे कुछ हो, एक दूसरे की खिंचाई करते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो. पर कभी कोई उसकी खिंचाई से किसी ने बुरा नहीं माना, क्योंकि दिल जो था सोने का था और कभी किसी का अहित नहीं सोचता था. तो जब जो किया वो या तो भला किया, कभी जरूरत पड़े तो उसको आप रात में याद कर लो, दिन में याद कर लो, ज्ञानेंद्र कुमार हमेशा तैयार है. ऐसा मित्र क्या बताएं, कब मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा किसी को. पर चलो, चले गए, छोड़ गए हमें. देख लेंगे या तुमको हम. आएंगे तो जरूर, मिलोगे वहीं कहीं. ठीक है, चलो ऐसे ही याद करते रहें तुमको. तो हम हमेशा खुश में ही याद करेंगे. दुख होके याद नहीं कर सकते तुमको, खुशी से ही याद करेंगे. इसी के साथ पूरे परिवार को संवेदना. किरण, टेक केयर, हैव करेज. चिक्की, सब खुश रहो भाई. वो किसी को दुखी नहीं देखना चाहता था, इसलिए सब खुश रहो. धन्यवाद।
डीसी का लंगोटिया यार और बीएचईएल का एक साथी who was full of life, wit, humor and purely professional। तेरी वो सब बातें दिल और दिमाग पे छाई हुई हैं जो बार बार याद आती हैं। डीसी के गेट पे उन डब्ल्यूपी की लड़कियों को ताड़ना, फिर बाबा से सिगरेट लेना और छल्ले उड़ाना, वो भी क्या दिन थे बॉस, क्या दिन थे। मैनेजमेंट कमेटी में साथ बैठकर घंटों गुफ्तगू करना दुनिया जहां की बातों पर, मीट में फैमिलीज के साथ दारू पीना और उसके बाद तेरे सदा बहार पुराने गानों का पिटारा खुलता था जो कि नशे को 4 गुना कर देता था। और उसके बाद लोगों का भावु डांस, वो दिन कभी नहीं भूलेंगे, कभी नहीं भूलेंगे। हम लोगों का किटी जो घर में हम लोग मिलते थे डीसी के दोस्त, या जूम मीट या जियो मीट लॉकडाउन के समय, उसमें तू हमेशा से ही एक कृष्ण कन्हैया रहा है यार। तेरा ये सेंटर स्टेज एक अचानक ही छोड़ के जाना हमारे डीसी के दोस्तों और बीएचएल के दोस्तों के लिए वो खालीपन छोड़ के गया है जो कभी नहीं भरा जा पाएगा। मैं तो इतना ही कहूंगा, इतनी जल्दी क्या थी दोस्त रब से मिलने की, इतनी जल्दी क्या थी दोस्त रब से मिलने की, हमको तो दोस्तों में ही रब दिखाई देता है। बहुत याद आएगा जैनी, तो बहुत याद आएगा दोस्त।
Hi, I'm S.K. Puri from Jainis College, that is DCE. Though we are from the same college, I really got to know Janendra, or Jaini as we fondly call him, over the last few years only. What I really admired about him was his very unique sense of humor. He would often come up with one-liners which would leave everyone in splits of laughter. Of course, his love for music is known to all. He was always willing to sing for his friends and was the life of the group. I sign off this brief homage for my friend with a very famous song, तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ कहाँ ऐसा याराना।
This is the most difficult thing to say because for us, uncle was more than uncle. He was our chacha, he was our mama. He'll always be remembered. उनके लिए मैंने बहुत छोटी सी चीज लिखी है, very small thing which I can do for him. जिंदा दिली उन्हीं से थी, उनकी मुस्कुराहट में झलकती रहती थी, कभी नहीं दिखे उनके माथे में बल, हंसते हुए तैयार रहते थे उनके सब हल, हो जाएगा यही सुना है हमेशा उनके लब से, कुछ असंभव था नहीं उनके हट से, दूर थे फिर भी नजदीकियां बनाई रही, यही थी उनकी पहचान की कड़ी, जिंदगी तू क्या हराती उन्हें, हंस के मुस्कुराते हुए वो ही तुझे हरा के चल दिए. We will always remember you, uncle, always.
It's been nearly 2 weeks since Jenny uncle left us, and I'm yet to reconcile to the fact that uncle is not going to be with us anymore. Jenny uncle, or as I fondly called him as Chamaji, has always been an integral part of our family. From the very first time that I met him on board Rockfort Express from Madras to Trichy, to Mummy leaving us in 2015, Uncle has been around with us at every occasion to guide us and to support us. And now that's going to be the toughest part going ahead, knowing that he's not going to be with us anymore. to, as mummy would say, raunak lagana, or to tell us what needs to be done. There are no goodbyes, but uncle, you will always remain very close to our hearts and will be missed at every occasion in our family.
It's rather rare to find a person who can inspire you but at the same time be equally quirky. Jen Inkle is one of those people who introduced me to the concepts of physics. Yeah, black is not a color, and at the same time the concept of alcohol. He was also one of those people who we could always go to if we wanted to talk, and it is actually difficult for me to imagine how life would have been when Amma was going through her cancer treatment if Janie uncle and Kiran auntie weren't there with us and helping us through those times. Not being there and saying bye to uncle is generally one of the most difficult things I've had to do recently. But yeah, it has not sunk in. It'll take its course of time. My love to JK and auntie. We are with you. It is unfortunate that we have not been able to travel, but yes, we are with you, and we definitely miss uncle.
It's going to be sad. It's going to be tough to say this without tearing up, at least for me. All of the fun stories that we heard growing up had one person in it. With mom and dad, it was always Jenny uncle and Kiran auntie, always there, part of that story. If it was the story of uncle finishing off the plate of idlis that mummy had made, if it was finishing off the kheer that mummy had made, uncle has always been there in those stories, being the fun, weird one. He made weird, fun, quirky, cool in the 80s and 90s. Like Rohit said, it's very, very unfortunate that we were not able to say goodbye to uncle in person. It's not yet sunk in. It's extremely difficult. I still can't believe it. But that is what 2020 is. It's just one whammy after the other. So, JK auntie, we are here for you. We feel his loss is irreplaceable, but like they say, the show must go on, and I'm sure uncle is with mom and dad, Shera, Jambo and Susie, and they're having a really nice time together. That's all.
So I came into the family a bit late, but I still remember the first day I met Janie uncle, right, and he treated me like his daughter-in-law, and I can never forget that family feeling he gave me, and that smile, that spirit uncle had is something we will all cherish and remember him for. His WhatsApp forwards and his old song collections. The man is all about charisma and spirit and energy, right? And I've learned a lot from him. I have really learned how a person should live their life, and he is an inspiration. JK, Auntie, please take care. We're all here for you, and always up for a conversation whenever you want to talk to us. We're also your children, and you can talk to us whenever you want. We're always there for you. Please take care. You have to be strong. Yeah, there's nobody to crack stupid jokes to make you smile now, but we're there for you.
At least if for the ones who have a problem with me not being able to smile decently in any picture, I think that blame goes solely on Jenny uncle, and yeah, that's my tribute to him for whatever way it is.
Jenny Bhaiya, we have so many fond memories of him. We know him only since last 4 or 5 years, but our bonding became so strong that he is dearly missed today. We have never met anyone so lively and so humorous in our whole life. His sense of humor was such कि हमारी हर गेट टुगेदर की वो जान होते थे. उनके गाने के बिना हर शाम अधूरी लगती थी. He used to gel with all the age groups. हमारे बच्चों के साथ वो बच्चे बन जाते थे, and with us he was like a dear friend. In such a short time, he became a family to us. There was no formality in between us. बहुत सारी यादें जुड़ी हैं उनके साथ. एक बार उन्होंने चिकन बिरयानी खिलाई थी, and I think it is the world's best biryani that we have ever eaten. उसके बाद से my kids, they were like कि चिकन बिरयानी खानी है तो अंकल के हाथ की. And without any formality, we always used to tell him कि हमें बिरयानी खानी है, आप बना के भेजिए. And he used to be so happy. His departure has naturally left a great void in all our lives. Not just us, but even our friends who have met him even once. They all are his fans, and even they miss him a lot. Jenny Bhaiya, no matter where you are, you will always remain in our heart, and that is for true. आपकी जगह कोई नहीं ले सकता. जो बॉन्ड आपके साथ बना था, वो एक नेबर के साथ बनना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. But yes, you were a true gentleman.
Mr. Jainis, news about him a week back was so sad. Initially, I was told that he was serious. He had a heart attack, and probably in the same day, by evening, my wife confirmed to me that he is no more. It was such a sad matter, and it shocked me completely. It was completely unexpected. Jainendra is such a personality. I'm sure everybody gets impressed by him. He is first of all a person who has a complete knowledge of the BHL products and BHS products, and the other side of the personality is that he is completely acceptable to everyone, and that has made him uniquely contribute to the company. In fact, I must tell you that he has been responsible for really BHL enhancing the commissioning
capability beyond 10,000 megawatts a year. In fact, we have grown in those years very rapidly. And he is one person who has contributed immensely for that. In fact, I depended very much on him. He has been greatly defending BHEL in all the forums, either with the ministry or with the customers, in their review meetings, project management meetings. Single-handedly he used to lead the teams in discussions. And I also know that his subordinates used to talk about him, that he is a complete person who takes care of their interests very well, who also guides them for really performing better. This is unique personality that way, and it is a complete loss. In fact, without him as chairman, I would not have been able to deliver a lot of things. It is not only delivery, he was also effectively able to defend the activities BHEL was able to do or unable to do, both, due to the constraints from the other side, and effectively portray them. And when you come to inside the company, in all my reviews, he used to play a key role. And without offending anybody, he used to project what are the real issues. It was tremendous help for me, help for the company, I should say. It's really, I felt very much when, and secondly, he's a person who also is very, very jovial. He makes things very lighter, even though there is a serious discussion going on. But occasionally, he will release the tension of everybody by talking about a thing so nicely, and suddenly the tension eases to everybody. And this is a very, very unique contribution he made, and we all miss him. This is very untimely that God has taken him away. I feel so bad and so sad about the whole thing, and I wish Mrs. Kiran Janendra and his son all the strength may God give them to bear this irreparable loss, including all of us. All of us must also be supported by God to really take this in our stride, and really, some people should really emulate him to come up the kind of personality of Janendra had, in contribution to BHEL. One of the very finest contributors.
I remember it was sometime in 2006. My family and Jaini's family went on a pilgrimage and picnic tour to Himachal Pradesh, the native state of Jaini. We halted at Manikaran and had darshan in a Shiva temple. To our surprise, people in charge of the temple told us that Jaini's parents have been instrumental in renovation of the temple by contributing a lot. Jaini comes from such philanthropic family. No wonder he is named Jaini, which means gift from God. We have never seen Jaini in a mood of anger. Both he and his wife Kiran have developed a liking to southern culture and at the same time followed the tradition of Himachal Pradesh and Rajasthan. They have taken active interest and participated in building Santoshima temple in Trichy. Jaini makes it a point to attend all functions and make the atmosphere lively. Same is the case in office also. The phrase "not possible" is not in his dictionary. Together with him, we have accomplished a lot in order booking in BHEL. I tell Jaini, can we go to Chardham tomorrow? He says, what time we shall leave. Such is the characteristics of Jaini. A true friend with whom we had 40 years of association is not with us. The gift of God, the shining star, has decided to move away from us and merge with Shiva. Om Shanti.
I had met Mr. Janendra Kumar for the first time in 2014 when he joined the IIM Kashipur team as advisor project. He was there because of his immense expertise in project management, and he was there to ensure that our campus project ended in time. Starting off as colleagues, we soon became very good friends, building on our similar experiences, him with BHL, mine with SAIL, and we had so many common friends. He was a fantastic mechanical engineer, an astute project manager. Kumar and I shared many evenings with our favorite topics of books and, of course, whiskey. And I used to look forward to his visits. It created a bond which should have lasted our lifetime, but sadly, gods in their wisdom chose to cut short his life in his prime. My wife Shampa joins me in our sincerest prayers for his soul to find peace and his family the strength. God bless. Thank you.
सफर में राही मिलते हैं बिछड़ जाने को और दे जाते हैं यादें तन्हाई में तड़पाने को ओ हो ओ हो जीवन के सफर में राही मिलते हैं बिछड़ जाने को और दे जाते हैं यादें तन्हाई में तड़पाने को
Why such an unfortunate thing had to happen? This question is going to haunt all of us forever. To conduct a memorial for Jenny, it is just unbelievable. I heard everyone talking from heart, their feelings. Jai Kishan, Ruchika, family, former CMD BHL Mr. Rao, former director IIM Kashipur Professor Gautam Sinha, former ED Mr. M.R. Ganeshan, friends from BHL, friends from college, friends' children, friends from all over. I understand everyone's feelings. Jenny is not a person who can be forgotten that easily. I am not here to thank you all for saying all what you felt for Jenny, because it's as much as a loss for you as it is for us. We'll remember his liveliness, his wit, his humor, even his speeches. But he'll remain with us by the songs he has sung, all the old Hindi melodies, and I hope the legacy continues.
आँखों से फिर ये प्यार की बरसात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो।
गले की फिर कर में अशी लाचे हो न हो जस या हो न हो न हो शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो न हो